Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that is extremely important for everyone: anti-cancer foods. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, nearly 10 million people die from cancer every year. While genetics and environment play a role, research consistently shows that lifestyle choices, especially diet, have a massive impact on cancer risk. Here's the good news. What you eat every single day can either fuel cancer development or help fight against it. Some foods are loaded with powerful compounds that can slow down inflammation, repair DNA, boost immunity, and even stop cancer cells from multiplying. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. This really helps us grow and share more science-backed health tips with you. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 anti-cancer foods you can eat every day. Each of these foods has been studied in labs and in real human populations. I'll explain how they work, the science behind them, and simple ways you can add them to your diet today. Let's begin. Part 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Our first category is cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, kale, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. What makes them so special is their unique sulfur-containing compounds called glucosinolates. When we chew or chop cruciferous vegetables, these glucosinolates break down into biologically active compounds such as sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol. Why they fight cancer? 1. Detoxification. Sulforaphane activates enzymes in the liver that detoxify harmful chemicals, including carcinogens. 2. DNA protection. These compounds protect our DNA from damage, reducing mutations that could trigger cancer. 3. Anti-inflammatory. They lower chronic inflammation, which is a known risk factor for cancer. 4. Apoptosis. Some studies show they help cancer cells self-destruct without harming healthy cells. Scientific evidence. A study from Johns Hopkins University showed that sulforaphane in broccoli sprouts significantly reduced markers of DNA damage. Another large study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that women who ate more cruciferous vegetables had a reduced risk of breast cancer. How to eat them? Lightly steam broccoli to preserve sulforaphane. Add kale or spinach to your morning smoothie. Roast Brussels sprouts with olive oil and garlic. Aim for at least 1 serving per day. Part 2. Berries. Second on our list is berries. This includes blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and cranberries. Berries are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamin C, fiber, flavonoids, and ellagic acid. Cancer-fighting properties. 1. Antioxidants. Berries neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage DNA and promote cancer cell growth. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Flavonoids reduce chronic inflammation in tissues. 3. Inhibition of tumor growth. Ellagic acid has been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells in the lab. 4. Immune system support. Vitamin C strengthens immunity, helping the body fight abnormal cells. Scientific evidence. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that berry extracts slowed the growth of oral, colon, and breast cancer cells. A clinical trial at Ohio State University found that freeze-dried black raspberries slowed the progression of precancerous lesions in patients at risk for esophageal cancer. How to eat them? Add blueberries to oatmeal. Blend strawberries into smoothies. Eat raspberries as a snack instead of processed sweets. A simple daily handful of mixed berries can go a long way in lowering cancer risk. Part 3. Garlic and onions. Third, we have garlic and onions, members of the allium family. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, diallyl disulfide, and sulfur compounds, which are believed to play a role in cancer prevention. Benefits for cancer prevention. 1. Detoxification. Allium vegetables enhance the elimination of toxins and carcinogens. 2. Cell protection. They protect cells from DNA damage. 3. Immune system boost. Garlic enhances natural killer cell activity. 4. Anti-tumor effects. Studies show reduced risks of stomach, colorectal, and esophageal cancers. Scientific evidence. A review by the American Institute for Cancer Research concluded that garlic intake is linked to lower risk of gastrointestinal cancers. The Iowa Women's Health Study found that women who ate garlic regularly had lower risks of colon cancer. How to eat them. Chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize allicin. Add raw onions to salads and sandwiches. Use garlic in soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. Even just 2 to 3 cloves of garlic per day can have measurable benefits. Part 4. Tomatoes. Fourth on our list is tomatoes. They're rich in lycopene, the antioxidant responsible for their red color. Why lycopene matters. 1. Antioxidant defense. Protects cells from free radical damage. 2. Hormonal effects. Lycopene helps regulate hormones that influence prostate and breast cancer. 3. Tumor suppression. May slow down the spread of abnormal cells. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that men with higher blood levels of lycopene had a significantly reduced risk of prostate cancer. Other studies show that diets high in tomatoes reduce risks of stomach and lung cancer. How to eat them. Cooked tomatoes release more bioavailable lycopene. Add tomato paste to stews. Snack on cherry tomatoes with olive oil for a healthy boost. Fun fact, pairing tomatoes with healthy fats like olive oil improves lycopene absorption. Part 5. Green tea. Finally, we have green tea. This beverage has been consumed for centuries in Asian cultures for its healing properties. The main active compound is epigallocatechin gallate, a type of catechin. Cancer-fighting effects. 1. DNA protection. Epigallocatechin gallate prevents DNA mutations. 2. Anti-proliferative. It slows the growth of cancer cells. 3. Angiogenesis inhibition. Green tea compounds stop tumors from creating their own blood supply. 4. Synergy with therapies. Some research suggests epigallocatechin gallate enhances the effectiveness of chemotherapy. Scientific evidence. A meta-analysis published in Carcinogenesis found that green tea drinkers had lower risks of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. In Japan, populations that drink multiple cups of green tea daily show significantly lower cancer mortality rates. How to drink it. Aim for 2 to 3 cups per day. Avoid adding sugar. Matcha green tea powder is especially rich in catechins. Bonus foods worth mentioning. While the top 5 are powerful, several other foods deserve a mention. Turmeric contains curcumin, a strong anti-inflammatory. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and arugula provide chlorophyll and folate. Adding variety ensures your body gets a broad spectrum of protective nutrients. Lifestyle factors to combine with anti-cancer foods. Food works best when combined with other healthy habits. Maintain a healthy weight. Exercise at least 150 minutes per week. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Conclusion. Let's recap the top 5 anti-cancer foods you can eat every day. 1. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale. 2. Berries such as blueberries and raspberries. 3. Garlic and onions. 4. Tomatoes. 5. Green tea. These foods are delicious, easy to find, and backed by strong scientific evidence. By adding them to your diet consistently, you give your body the best defense against cancer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, prevention doesn't start with medicine, it starts with your plate.